Hi, this is just a short video tutorial showing you how you can download an exam from Blackboard and upload a completed paper. At the moment, we're on the University of Worcester website. That's probably the easiest way to get onto Blackboard, just by scrolling down to the bottom of the page and entering your dashboard via the students link. And once we're onto the dashboard, you can see the blank here. If you are locked out, you can reset your password remotely. Via a link here, and you can also contact the IT department from this dashboard. Okay, once we're in Blackboard, you have the option to select your module. Once you're into your module, you have a list on the left hand side, a menu. You need to select assessment, and then you need to search for the exam that you're undertaking. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here, and here we can see that I've put up a fun quiz. So here we've got the Word document, which we can open. Down here we've got turn in, which is the area we're going to upload to the answer quiz. With Turnitin, once you click on the link, you will then be taken to an area where you can upload your document. You will have something similar to this icon, little cloud with an arrow in, and then if you click on that, you can upload your document as you would, say, an email attachment. Been some use. Thank you very much for watching.